So I recently totaled my car, and I'm not getting a car anytime soon, but I went online to kind of see how much damage I've done in terms of future car insurance premiums, and it made me wonder what else they could adjust your premium for. So I was just reading how they used to have a discount if you are a non-smoker, but it became very difficult to prove. I mean, people would have an accident and they would go, "Oh, I took up smoking yesterday," and or I don't know if there's medical tests for that, but obviously, if that's the case, and they bought their insurance 4, 5, 6 months ago, and they said they were a non-smoker, they can't prove that this person lied. They can't deny the insurance claim. It made me wonder what else you could adjust somebody's premium on. Some things that come to mind just from my own experience. If the person is going on a lot of dates, obviously they already check if your marital status when you buy insurance, but somebody who is happily single versus somebody who's going on a lot of dates, I think they're going to have very different risk profiles. Not only because they're driving to the dates, but it's going to occupy their mind. The other thing they could check is they could go through your credit card statement and see how often you go to a bar. I mean, a lot of these big insurers are banks as well, so they could probably have access to that. They could probably check how much money you have. If you have $5 million in your bank account, they can probably get away with upping your premium because they know you're not going to just go up and go shop for insurance, at a moment's notice. They could probably check if they have access to your bank statements. They could probably check your eating habits. If you eat a lot of junk food, that's probably not very good for in terms of how you drive. They could up your premium if you well, they already check your occupation, but I wonder if they can go further and check your daily activities. If you have hobbies that involve a lot of critical thinking, it might encourage you to think while you're behind the wheel and cause an accident. They could go through your cell phone records and see how often you text. They could check if you live in your car. I mean, I think that could work both ways. I mean, if you live in your car, you're probably going to put more miles on your car, but they already look at that. On the other hand, if you're living in your car, you're probably going to drive a little bit more conservatively just because it is your home. I can definitely attest there were times that I decided to take less risk just because it was my home. I could have taken the back roads, but I decided to go through a traffic jam on the freeway just because it was my home. I didn't want to risk any damage to it. So I guess it could work both ways. Anyways, this is just a little bit of comedy. Thanks for watching.